To TechVentilator. If you are looking for a tutorial or you want to learn how to install all your required softwares just in a single click, then you are at the right place. Okay, let's start. First of all, open the website Ninite. Note that this method not only helps you to install new softwares but also to update the installed softwares. Here select all the softwares you want to install or update on your system. To show you the working of the system, I am going to select only 4 softwares. After selecting the required apps, click on Get Your Ninite. It downloads a setup file. Open the setup file and here you go. Leave everything to Ninite. You can work on other files or watch movie during the installation process. When installation is done, close the Ninite dialog box, and see the desktop. All your selected programs has been installed successfully. If you want to know such useful things in future, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Give your suggestions for the improvements to the channel and suggest topics for upcoming videos.